peaceful morning, my dear students. You know who I am. Yes, I am your robotics teacher. I am Ahila Godwin. As in the previous section, we were learning about what is robot, what is robotics, and at last class, I have shown the demo of the smart street light. Yes or no? Yes, wow, good, you are remembering this. Before starting the section, let me ask you a few questions and you can give me the answers. Okay, shall we start?
This is your first question. Can you guess which is this technology? Yeah, the answer is Android. Shall we go to second one? This is your second question. This is very famous. You would have heard this name many times. The answer is iPhone. Shall we go to third question? The third question is very familiar for you. The answer is drone. Then only one more question. The final question is, this you would have seen in notebooks, in so many applications, etc. The answer is QR code. Finally, you have answered for all the questions.
My dear students, are you thinking why you should learn about the technology and robotics? Yeah, it's much necessary in day-to-day life. When you look into the past years, there is no smartphones, there is no smart doors, or there is no smart street light, smart tap. No, they have used technology with high manpower. But nowadays, everything is technologized. You would have seen in supermarket or restaurant, everywhere there you can see some things which will be working automatically. So, you should know how to operate such machines. From upcoming classes, I will be teaching you few technologies which have been invented nowadays. Clear? So, in the first class, I am just going with the basic thing. Yes, my dear students, in the first class, I have taught you what is robot, what is robotics. Yes, now shall we recall what is robot? Robot is anything which makes human work easier automatically or semi-automatically. Yes? Okay. Now, the technology is also almost same. It is also anything which makes human work easier and it solves problems. Okay. So, in robotics, it wants to work automatically or semi-automatically. But in technology, it's not like that. Whenever I tell a word technology, what comes to your mind? Can you recall what comes to your mind? Are you thinking about laptop, television, camera, air conditioner, etc.? Yes, of course. So many of them will be thinking about it. But the thing is, it can be anything. Even I talk about this table. This table also is a technology. Why is a technology? Are you thinking about it? It's a technology because it is making our work easy. I can use table to write very comfortably. So, the table is also a technology. Even the chair is also come under technology. Everything, whatever making our work easy will come under the technology. Okay, what are the things? What are the technology things? Where they are in past and what is now and what is then. Is it interesting? Yes? Okay. So, first let me talk about the computer. Everyone know the old computer have occupied huge space. You can see, look at here. Yes, this is also a computer. Have you seen Charles Babbage computer? This is that computer. Yeah, this computer have occupied a lot space. But nowadays, we are just folding the computer and bringing it to schools or office, wherever we want. We were just taking it, carrying it with us. Because the technology is growing as fast as time. Yeah. Do you know one thing about my life? When I am very small, when I am at the age of 5, in my home, no mobile phones, no net banking, no internet connection, nothing. Okay, but when I studied in grade 6, we bought one small mobile phone with some switches. Okay, after that, when I am studying my bachelor degree, I got a smartphone. Now everything is available. The mobile banking, net banking, whatever we want to ask, we can ask to the Google. Google, where I am and where is it? Okay, the technology is growing. It doesn't mean there is no technology in ancient period. Do you know in the ancient period, they have used 2 stones to make fire. But nowadays, what we were doing? We used matchsticks. After that, we used lighters. First, let's see about the smartphone. Everyone will be aware of 1G, 2G, 3G. Now we were using 4G and 5G is not much far. It is also near. So, the smartphone itself, the technology is growing. Once we take transport, first we have bullock cart, right? First, in the olden days, we have bullock cart. Then they used to pedal the cycle and move from one place to other. After that, we got 2-wheelers, 3-wheelers, or example auto, 4-wheelers, car, and with more wheels, we got some of the transport which can be land in the road. The technology in the transportation also get improved as like we have metro train, then flight, aeroplanes, everything. So the technology is growing very fast. We should know few technologies whichever we are using in day-to-day life. Okay, otherwise we can't survive. After 5 years or 10 years, everything will be technologized. Wherever you go, you have to operate the machines. It will be like that. So, you should be aware of it. You should have some knowledge about technology. Okay, that's the reason behind why we were teaching technology to you peoples. Are you aware of it? Okay. If we go to Japan or China, there everything is robots. If you go for the shopping mall, the robot will be there and it will guide you where you have to go. Yeah, we can talk about the school sessions. Whenever I am a student, we don't get any information through mobile phones. But nowadays, we people are teaching you people through YouTube, right? So the technology have grown as much as high. You have to be familiar with few technologies which were existing now, which is going to come. That sessions we will be discussing later. Today just I am going to tell what are the components we have used in the smart street light. Yes, students, you know what project is this? Yes? What's the name of this project? What is this? Light, right? Smart street light. It will work automatically. So we were saying this as a smart street light. Can you compare this with the technology, with the ancient technology and nowadays and the future one? Can you? Yes. In olden days, there were no electricity. So there were no lights. After that, they have lights. Now, some places they were operating manually and some places it is smart street light. As like this they were using LDR. Okay, so shall we see one demo? Are you interested? Yeah, come on. What is the principle? What is the procedure for this? Can you recall that? Once, if the sensor senses the dark places, the light will on. Yes? Yeah. If it senses light, it is off. Okay, now I am just connecting the battery. So let us check. Positive terminal as well as the negative terminal. Okay, as it is sensing the dark, let me put the torch light to that. Yeah, once I show light to the sensor, if it's sensing the light is off. If it is sensing the dark, the light is on. You got the principle? If I show the light towards the sensor, the light is off. It is considering the sunlight is sufficient for the street, so the light is off. But once it is sensing the dark, the light is on. It is giving the signal that the street is too dark, so the light can be on. Clear? Okay. In the last class, I said what are the components we were using. Once again, I repeat it today. People can keep it ready for the next class. So, I will be teaching the connections in the next class. Is it okay for you? Okay. The first thing which we need is what we need to connect all the components. Which board? Yeah, the name of this board is breadboard. Yeah, breadboard. Next, what else we need? Breadboard is used to connect all the components. Then, what else we were using here? We need sensors, right? As a humans, we have how many sense organs? We have 5 sense organs. For sensing the temperature, for sensing the lights, for sensing the taste, for sensing the smell, as like that. In robots, we were using sensors. Here, what is the name of the sensor? Can you recall what is the sensor we were using? Yes? Yeah, here we are using LDR sensor. What is that sensor? The sensor is LDR. The full form of LDR is light dependent resistor. What is the full form of LDR? Light dependent resistor. Okay, once a human have sense organs, whether everything is done, we need a processor, right? As like our brain, here in the smart street light, what we have? Yes, we have NPN transistor. I think you would have forgot everything. So let me recall whatever we have learned in the last class. We have learned about input, processor and the output. Yes, the input is nothing but the sensors. The sensing part can be say as the input. The processing is which is getting the input and providing the output can be say as a processor. And the output is nothing but where we can see the result. Okay, so here what is the sensor? LDR. Then here what transistor we were using? NPN transistor. I will be explaining this detailedly in the next class. Okay, today just you can revise this and you can recollect what are the informations you have. Then what is the output in this smart street light? Can you people guess what is the output? What result we were getting? From where we were getting the results? Yes, absolutely. From LED we were getting the result. So the output is LED. What is the full form of LED? Light emitting diode. It is emitting some light, right? Yeah, so the name is light emitting diode. Clear? So What is the input for smart street light? What is the input? Yeah, the input is LDR sensor. The processor is NPN transistor. The output is LED. Then what else we needed? We need two resistors and we need connecting wires. And for completing the whole project, we need these things. Clear? Make sure you are having these things in the next class. So it's easy for you to connect when I am teaching the connection. Clear? Okay students, I hope you understand what is smart street light, what is technology, and if you have some doubts, feel free to contact me. Okay. So if you have some innovative ideas, please, you're welcome. Any type of innovative ideas are more welcome. You can come to me. I will be answering your questions. I am clearing your doubts. Are you people okay? Happy? I think you people are happy with this. Bye-bye. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.